Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 14th, 2023. Yeah, let me show you again. October the 14th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one is a medium Sudoku. I will solve this in a minute. And tomorrow evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, aka Quintuplet. And we have here in this newspaper also a puzzle page of Saturday, October the 14th. Two Sudokus with 3 stars. Here one. And the second one. Then we have a killer Sudoku. Two binaries, 10 by 10. And the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. 6 puzzles. I won't do them all in the evening. 4 of them I will solve. And tomorrow afternoon or in the morning, I will solve the. We have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow in the evening. No, in the afternoon. In the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Alright. Let me start with the regular puzzle. The medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this. This will be number 7268. Before I start, I always count the 20 digits. Well, this one. 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So in the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Sorry, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So I have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. All right. Then 7. We have 8 in the third column, 8 in this first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left of 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, sorry, in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 place left with the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in a row above, so no 3 there. So the only place left with the 3 in the third column should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. 4 numbers, 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those numbers. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7, 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then. How about the numbers? Let me see. Need a 4 here. Need a 6. 1, 4. Come on. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 place left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. We see a 3 in that column, so no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Well. Well. Let me see. Need an 8 here. Well. 7. 7. We have an 8 here. 8, yep. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, okay. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so in the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Now. How about 6. The number Two missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Need a 6 here. Oh, wait. 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Now. Let me see. How about let me see the 8. Need 8 here. No. Need 8 there. Need 7 here. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. 5, 9 and the 6. Well, need a 6 here. Yeah. 195. 195. 5 and the 9. Come on. What's happening? 3. Yeah. 5 and the 9. Um, 5, 9, and the 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. We have also a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. Third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row. Third row. 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can't see. Digit for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5, 9. And no 1. Interesting. Need a 9 here. 7, 8, and 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this last row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes. They're finishing 16 minutes. Well, told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes for solving a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.